How to fix mic not working on PC. So what you want to do is go ahead and head over to privacy right here, and you can go to Windows setting by clicking on this Windows icon and then clicking on the setting icon right here. So go ahead and click on privacy. So if you scroll down, you'll see at the very bottom there is a microphone at the left side, so click on microphone. And you'll see here that make sure that this allow apps to access your microphone is turned on. If you scroll down, you'll see which apps has the access to your microphone. So for example, if you're on Skype and you're speaking and the other person can't hear you and you're facing a problem in your mic, well, this is because this is turned off. So go ahead and turn this on and allow the Skype access to your microphone. So another thing that you can do is go ahead to your control panel, and you can do that by clicking on this search icon and go to control panel right here. So go ahead and click on hardware and sound, and the next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on this sound right here. So you'll see which one is your mic, so identify which one is your mic. So once you identify which one is your speaker, go ahead and click on set default and then press OK. And that is how you can fix mic not working on PC.